Okay, so let us continue with our discussion na putol nakaraan. I'll have to solve 11 to 14. Okay, let us continue. So for 11, the ultimate analysis of a type of coal, so this is a solid fuel, is given as follows. Yan yung kanyang coal analysis. Where the carbon is 69% in composition, hydrogen 2.5% in composition, sulfur is 1% in composition, oxygen is 3.5%, and then ash is 12%. O, pag may nakita kayong ganito, isulat nyo kagad. Okay? C-H-O-N. Okay? Ito lang ang lagi mong i-consider dyan. Okay? Yung C, ilan ba dyan? 0.69. Yung H is 0.025. Yung O is 3, 0.035. Ayan, tapos yung may nakalimutan pa ba ako? Sulfur. Ito kasing N, kahit hindi mo nakunin to eh. Kahit hindi mo nakunin yan. Kapag may byproducts, yon pwede mo kunin yung N. 0.01. So, ito na lang yung mga kailangan mo. Sir, ano bang hinahanap dito? Calculate the higher heating value of the coal. Di ba ang higher heating value of the coal, you can get it only using yung formula ni Dulong. Dulong's formula. Sir, only for solid fuels. Okay, tignan natin nasaan yung Dulong's formula. So, when we're talking about Dulong's formula, okay, yan. For solid fuels, kunin natin to. Yan, ang Dulong formula mo. Where the higher heating value, sir, meron po ba tayong English units na dulongs? Kahit hindi ka na mag-English. Okay, malilito ka lang. I-convert mo na lang yung kilojoule tsaka yung kilogram. Okay, HHB is equal to 33,820 carbon plus 144,212 H minus O over 8 plus 9304 S. Sir, paano mo gagawin yan sa calculator? Ganito po. 33,820 tapos alpha A plus 144,212 so alpha B minus alpha C divided by 8 plus 9304 alpha D. And then all you have to do is to press calc or calculate. Okay. Lagay natin what is C. Okay. C is 0.69. Yung B, 0.025. Yung C, 0.035. And then ang D is S, 0.01. So, ang higher heating value of the coal now is 26403.2125 kilojoule in every kilogram. That is the higher heating value ng iyong coal. Okay? Very basic. Napakadali ng fuels and combustion kapag kabisado mo. Pero ako, hindi kasi marirelate dito yung mnemonics natin kapag ginamit ko yung gamit namin sa board exam. So, sa board exam nyo na lang maaalala ulit yan. So, number 12. A diesel power plant. Okay. Kunin ko muna yung recording A diesel power plant. Okay. Ayun. A diesel power plant uses a fuel with a heating value of 45,000. Okay, 45,000 kilojoule per kilogram. What is the density of fuel at 33 degrees Celsius? So, ganito yan ang fuel mo is heated up to 33 degrees Celsius. So, dadaan ka po dyan, kailangan mong dumaan ng diesel liquid fuel. Lagi kang dadaan ng degree api. Okay, kunin natin yung formula ni degree of P. Ayun, oh. Andun ulit. Control C. Okay, number 12 yan, ha. Ayan. And then, yung susunod dyan, okay, ito. Para hindi nyo nalilimutan. Ito, kabisado ko yan kahit nakapikit. So, given dyan yung iyong for fuel, liquid fuel, so hindi mo na gagamitin to. Ito ang gagamitin mo. Okay, yung HHV na ito. Masasolve mo si degree API. Okay. And then, anong pwede mong gamitin dyan? Isosolve mo ngayon yung SG at 15 degrees Celsius and then you should have to solve yung SG niya of the fuel in order for you to solve for the density niya at that certain temperature. Okay? Wala ka kasing binigay dyan na pressure, temperature lang, tsaka volume, pwede. Kaya lang, di mo makukuha yung volume unless isolve mo yung density. Okay? Wala ka naman binigay na mass. Hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung PBMRT kasi hindi naman ideal gas yan. Okay? Let me show you the way on how you will solve it. First, ano mga given dyan? You are given the HHV. HHV is equal to 45,000 kilojoule in every kilogram. And then you are given ng temperature ng oil or ng diesel fuel at 33 degrees Celsius. Yun lang ang binigay sa'yo, wala na iba. At ang nihahanap is the density at 33 degrees Celsius. Okay. So let us begin with the HHV given by this formula, yung may degree API. Okay. So HHV, QH or HHV is equal to 41,130. 41,130 plus 139.6 degree API. Now, ito yung solve mo. Okay? So, meron ka HHV. So, reform natin. Degree API is equal to HHV or QH minus 41,130 divided by 139.6 para mahanap mo yung degree API. So, meron ka ng formula ng degree API pero binigyan tayo ng formula dito. At API, 'di ba? Kukunin mo dito sa formulang 'to for given SG. Kaya lang hindi given SG, hahanapin natin yung SG at 15.6 degrees Celsius. Hindi yan yung binigay na temperature. So, dadaan ka muna dito talaga. Okay? Even with this formula, SG at 15.6 degrees Celsius, that is equal to 141.5 divided by 131.5 plus degree API. Ang problema, sir, ang problema dyan, sakto na pala, wala tayong degree API. Pwede ba, sir, na itong degree API na to ipasok ko na lang dito para iisahang computation na lang? Yes, pwede. So, SG at 15.6 degrees Celsius, ganyan na lang kayo mag-solve para isa ang pindutan sa calculator. So, 141.5, 131.5 plus yung degree API, kunin mo dito sa taas. Ayan, that is HHV minus 41130 divided by 139.6. Pwede na nating masolve si SG at 15.6 degrees Celsius. So, isang pindutan. Pero wag muna kayong mag-ano dyan. Wag muna po kayong mag-round off. Okay? Ayan. So, andyan na. Solve natin. 141.5 divided by 131.5 plus 45,000, hindi ako nagkakamali, minus 41130 divided by 139.6. Okay. So, the SG, store natin yung value niya kay A. Okay. 0.88869593338. Store natin tong value na kay A. Okay. So, we now have the value for the SG at 15 degrees Celsius. Ang kukunin na lang natin yung SG at the given temperature. And this is coming from this formula. Okay? Coming from this formula, yung may correction factor. Okay? So, the correction factor, ay, natanggal. May correction factor siya. So, that is SG at 15.6 degrees Celsius. I-multiply mo ng 1 minus 0.123. I think that is 4. Ayun, hindi. Ayun na, 4 pala. 4 decimal places. Sobra ako na isa 0. 0.72 multiplied to yung temperature na given minus 15.6. Okay. Makuha na natin yung SG at 33 degrees Celsius. SG at 33 degrees Celsius, that is equal to 0.88. Round up ko na lang kasi nag-close kanina. 87 multiply to 1 minus 0.0072 multiply to 33 minus 15.6. Mapin natin. 0.00 tuloy. 8887 multiplied to 1 minus 0.0072 multiplied to 33 minus 15.6 tas dalawang parenthesis. The answer will be tatlo dapat na 0 yan eh. Bilang ko yan. Dapat tatlong 0 ito. Ayan. Tatlong 0. Ayan. Okay? Ayun. Tatlong 0 dapat. Ayun. Dalawa lang nilagay ko. So, that is 0.8776. NaSG niya. Pero ang kinukuha natin is the density of the fuel at 33 degrees Celsius. Paano makukuha yun? Diba, given to, i-multiply mo na lang siya ng density ng water multiply to Sg at that temperature para makuha mo yung kanyang density. 0.8776 multiplied to 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter for water. So that is equal to 877. 877.57 kilogram every cubic meter. Very basic lang yan. Problem number 12. Okay, let us go to problem number 13. Let's go to problem number 13. A 650 brake horsepower diesel engine uses fuel oil at 28 degree API. So, given yung 28 degree API. Gravity, okay? And then the fuel consumption, so fuel consumption, that is equal to 0.65 pound per BHP hour. So, pwede mo makuha yung mass of the fuel here. The fuel cost is 43 liters. Okay? Cost equal to 43 pesos per liter. For continuous operation, determine the minimum volume of the cubical day tank in cubic centimeter. And then the ambient temperature is 33 degrees Celsius. So magagamit mo ba yung cost dito? I think not. Ang hahanapin mo kasi dito is the volume ng fuel of the day tank. Day tank excuse me. So kailangan makuha mo muna yung SG ng fuel. Okay? At 15 degrees Celsius. So solve na natin. SG, ilagay mo dito 15.6 degrees Celsius equal to 141.5 divided by 131.5 plus degree API. Binigay yung degree API mo. SG at 15 ang hinahanap mo. So, SG at 15, sinimplify ko na yan kasi dito mahirapan ka pa pag hinanap mo yung degree API. Paano naman daw kung yung API ang hinahanap mo? Yung degree API, para mahanap mo ito, another formula. That is equal to 141.5 divided by SG at 15.6 degrees Celsius minus 131.5. Kung degree API ang hinahanap mo. Pero hindi naman degree API ang hinahanap mo dyan. Yung kanyang standard specific gravity at 15.6 degrees Celsius. SG at 15.6 equal to 141.5 divided by 131.5 plus yung degree API na binigay sa'yo dyan. I think that is 28. So we can now solve for SG at 15.6. Wag ka muna round off, okay? Nag-round off lang ako kanina kasi masyado mahaba. 131.5 plus 28. So, the SG of the fuel, pwede na ito. Okay na to. So, 28.3 over 319. Okay, basta hindi lang to, wag ka lang mag-round off dyan. Pwede na yan. So, anong gagawin mo? Kukunin mo yung SG at the given temperature. May given temperature ka dyan di ba? Ayun 33 degrees Celsius. Ambient. So, iba yung SG niya at 15.6 degrees Celsius, which is normal, doon sa ambient temperature na given sa kanya. Mag-iiba yung SG niyan. So, SG at the 33 degrees Celsius is equal to SG 15.6 multiplied to 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 2, temperature given minus 15.6 degrees Celsius. Okay? Correction factor ang tawag dyan. Equal to, yung SG at 15.6, 283 over 319 multiplied to 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 2 multiplied to 33 minus 15.6. Then multiply it. Okay? Store natin kay A. Unahin ko muna yung nasa loob. So, 1 minus 0.12372 multiplied to 33 minus 15.6. Okay? Tapos, i-multiply ko na kay A. The answer will be 0.876 0.8603. Okay, pwede na to. And then, density, hanapin mo yung density, di ba? But, ang hinahanap natin is the volume of the fuel per day. Volume ng fuel at day tank. Yan. Di ba ang volume is equal to mass over density? Coming from what? Density is equal to mass over volume. Ito ang hinahanap natin. Yung volume of the fuel in a day tank. Ngayon, binigyan ka dyan ng fuel consumption. Makikita mo naman dyan, meron kang fuel consumption and then meron kang power. Diba? Para ma-cancel out natin yung power. Okay? Saan mo kukunin 'to? Ano bang tinutukoy natin dito? 'Di ba the mass of the fuel? Mass of the fuel. Ngayon, yung mass of the fuel is equal to the fuel consumption times the power produced. Yan. So, maso-solve na natin yung mass of the fuel. Okay? So, for the volume of the day tank, that is equal to, okay, yung fuel consumption multiplied to the power produced divided by yung density of the fuel which is Sg at the given temperature multiplied to the density ng H2O which is relative substance. Okay. Yung fuel consumption mo dyan is 0.65. 0.65 ba? Oo, tama. 0.65 pound per BHP hour. 0.65 pound per BHP hour. Ilang BHP ang binigay sa'yo dyan? 650. Okay. Divided by yung SG ng fuel. The SG of the fuel na nakuha mo is 0.87603. 87603 multiplied to 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Per day ang hinahanap pa. So, cancel natin yung BHP. Cancel yung BHP. Yung hour, ito matitira. Kilogram dapat ma-cancel. Okay. Sir, hindi ko matandaan yung conversion mo, sir, ng sa kilogram. Meron tayong 907 kilogram per 2,000 pound. Meron din tayong 1 kilogram per 2,025 pound. Anong gusto mong gamitin? Whatever you prefer. What I do prefer, ito. 907 kilogram para maiba lang. 2,000 pound. Okay. So, sa akin kasi mas madali ito tandaan. Equal din naman yan sa 1 over 2,025. So, makakancel yung pound, yung R na lang ang problema natin. Ilang days ba per hour? So, you have 24 hours in every day. Diba? Day tank nga eh. Pag-uusapan natin. So, cancel natin yung same units. The pound, kilogram, hour, and R. So, ang natira is cubic meter per day. Okay. We can now solve for the answer. So, 0.65 times 650 times 907 divided by 2,000 times 24 divided by 0.87603 times 1,000. The answer is cubic centimeter to, di ba? Cubic meter pa lang yan. So, that is equal to 5.2492 meter cube per day. Kailangan natin is cubic centimeter. O di, 100 cm cube, 1 meter cube. Cancel natin yung meter cube. Okay. Multiply natin ng 100 cube. The answer will be 524,923.04 cubic centimeter per day. Basic. Okay? Ganun lang po yung tamang process ng pag-solve sa kanya. How about number 14? A diesel electric power plant supplies energy for Meralco. So, very basic to. Nakita nyo na kagad yan. Okay? Pag nakita nyo si diesel power plant, tapos Meralco, alam nyo yung sagot dapat. So, solve natin. During a 24-hour period, lagi kasi lumalabas to sa lagi itong lumalabas sa board exam. Meron din naman si Meralco. Ayan. Meralco yung mga keyword. Yung sinasabi nila look spam, totoo yun. So, during a 24-hour period, so you have 24 hours, the plant consumed 200 gallons of fuel. So, ang consumption niya, fuel consumption is equal to 200 gallons per day at 28 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of the fuel is 28 degrees Celsius. Produced. Ito daw yun. Produced yung energy. So the energy is 3930 kilowatt hour. Okay? Industrial fuel used is given ng API mo equal to 28 degrees. Was purchased at 550 per liter. So, cost 550 pesos per liter. What should the cost of fuel be to produce 1 kilowatt hour? Yun. Anong hinahanap mo dyan? Yung kanyang actually, pwede mo i-simplify itong energy na to in kilojoules. Okay? Yung energy that is produced. That is equal to the HHV of the fuel. Okay? Okay? Energy produced is equal to the QH. Ayan. Ito, pwede mo i-simplify yan. 3930 kilowatt hour. Ang problema, di ba yung kilowatt mo, that is equal to 3930 kilojoule per second times hour. Convert mo yung hour, okay? 1 hour. 3,600 seconds. Ngayon, yun yung energy produced mo. Cancel mo tong seconds, hour, and hour. Yun. So, ang hinahanap mo is PHP per liter, gallon per day. Okay? 24-hour period. What should the cost of fuel be? Okay. 1 kilowatt hour. Oh, okay. Nakuha ko na. So, meron kang HHV of the fuel. Tapos, meron kang makukuha degree API, which is ito. Binigay na pala. Kung 1 kilowatt hour, okay, ano makacancel yan? In density. Okay? Fuel consumption, mass of the fuel. Yun ang hahanapin ko. Gallons per liter. Kalimutan ko na kung paano ko sinosolve to dati. So, dito tayo magmula. Okay? 200 gallons of fuel at 28 degrees Celsius. Tapos, makapag-produce ka nito. Okay? Kilowatt per liter. Kunin ko muna yung total niya. Total density niya. Total density. Total volume na in-date tank. Okay. So, meron kang fuel consumption. Tapos, meron ang kilowatt hour na pinuduce. Okay. Per day. Okay. Wait, let me pause. Okay, ganito pala. Sundan nyo Pag ganito ang mga sinosolve nyo, yan, sundan nyo yung pag-solve ko. Hanapin nyo muna, first, hanapin nyo yung SG ng fuel at 15.6 degrees Celsius. Given yung API mo dyan, di ba? Okay. So, hanapin natin dito. SG at 15.6 degrees Celsius is equal to 141 0.5 divide by 131.5 plus degree API na binigay, degree API is 28 degrees equal to. Hanapin natin dito. So, 141.5 divide by 131.5 plus 28. So, nakuha mo na yung density ng fuel mo at 15.6 density tuloy. Specific gravity ng fuel mo at 15.6 degrees Celsius. So, 283 over 319. Okay. Pwede na to. Is na yan. Tapos, kunin mo yung binigay dyan, nagbigay siya ng yung SG of fuel mo, number 2. SG ng fuel at the given temperature is equal to SG at 15.6 multiplied to 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 2. Tapos temperature minus 15.6. Okay. So, dito, 283 divide by 319 multiply to 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 2. Tapos, 28. 28 ba yung binigay dyan? Yun, 28 nga. 28 minus 15.6. Makuha mo na yung corrected, okay, SG at 28. Yan. Multiply natin to ng 1 minus 0.12372 multiplied to 28 minus 15.6. Tapos dalawang parentheses. The answer is, okay, 0.87. Again, wag munang mag-round off. 226,884. Okay, pwede na to. And then, step 3, kunin mo yung mass of the fuel. Step 3, the mass of the fuel. Mass ng fuel, saan po ba manggagaling yan? Yung fuel consumption multiplied to the energy that is there. Or, pwede diyang meron kang, meron kang consumption dyan, di ba? Actually, hindi to consumption eh. Volume flow rate binigay sa'yo. The volume flow rate. Okay? The volume flow rate. Yan, volume flow rate. That is equal to, yung binigay sa'yo dyan, 200 gallons per day. 200 gallon in a day. Yan. Multiply mo nang. Yung liter per gallon, tapos gawin mong in hours. Okay? Gawin nating liters per hour. So, 1 day, 24 hours, tapos 3.785 liters to the gallon. Okay. Solve natin. 200 times 3.785 divide by 24. The answer is, pwede na to. Huwag natin simplify para hindi tayo nag-round off. 757 over 24 liters per hour. Kasi cancel to, cancel to. Cancel yan and cancel yan. Pwede na to. So, you have volume na there. Ano na lang gamitin mo dyan? Tumas, yung cost per kilowatt hour ang tinatanong, di ba? Hanapin mo yung ginamit niya dyan. So, imumultiply mo na ito nung kanyang density. Mumultiply mo siya nung kanyang density. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Tapos, ito daw yung produce niya. Okay? Yung power. Merong ang power dyan. So, yung power na produce niya, paano makuha? Okay? So, 3930 kilowatt hour in 24 hours. Hanapin mo ilang kilowatts. So, that is 3930 divide by 24. Yung. Uy, bobo. Divide by 24. The answer is 163.75 kilowatts. 163.75 kilowatts. In every kilowatt hour, ilan daw ang magagasta mo dyan? Okay, kunin mo yung cost equal to yung binigay sa'yo na cost per kilowatt to ayun, 550 pesos per liter times yung consumption niya, volume consumption, which is 757 divided by 24 liter per hour. Divide mo ng yung total power, which is 163.75. Okay. Ano yan? Kilowatt. So, ano matitirang unit dyan? Ang matitirang unit is PHP per kilowatt hour. Okay. What will be the cost? Cost per kilowatt hour. Ito yung pinaka-technique niya. Okay? Nagamit ba to? Actually, hindi eh. Gagamitin mo yan sa next question dapat. May next question pa to, hindi ko na sinama eh. Pero ito yon, magsimula ka dito sa volume niya, tapos kunin mo yung power, and then pag nakuha mo yung power, makukuha mo na yung cost. Yan. So that is 5.5 times 757 divided by 24 divided by 163.75. The answer is ilan? Piso per kilowatt hour. So ito yung sagot niya, 1.06 PHP per kilowatt hour. So, itong sagot na to, look spam na yan pag nakita nyo sa board exam. Hindi binabago yung question na yan. Tricky yan eh. Kasi meron pa tong kadikit na question. Ano yung kadikit niyang question? Determine the overall thermal efficiency of the plant. Ayun yun. And then, the total cost of fuel per day. Yung dalawang question na yun. Kaya chinek ko siya. Pero hindi to sa book. Sa board to. Ganyan lang po ang pag-solve sa kanya. Actually, ito lang eh. Hindi mo na kailangan dumaan dito. Okay? Kahit di na kayo dumaan dyan. Dito na lang kayo dadaan. Una, kunin mo yung volume flow rate niya per hour. Ito, nakuha mo. Tapos, kunin mo yung kanyang power. Total power that is produced. Hindi within 24 hours. Yung total power na produce niya using that fuel. And after nun, kinukuha yung cost per kilowatt hour, i-multiply mo nung consumption niya, which is, magkano yung patak ng per crudo, that is 550 per liter. I-multiply mo nung consumption niya, volume, and then divide mo nung total power that is produced within that within that duration. Makuha mo ngayon yung cost per kilowatt hour. Okay? That is the technique.